we will discuss about dependent drop-down list. In our previous video, we already discussed drop-down list. If anyone didn't see that video, I will place in iCards. Please watch it. And also there is a separate playlist in our channel. There also you can find it. Let's come to the topic. Dependent drop-down list is one more extension to drop-down list. In drop-down list, we will get all the items whatever we are maintaining. With the help of drop-down list, we can filter those line items also. When we are feeding employee data in system, if we want to choose villages in address bar, we have to go through all the villages in India. It is very difficult to go through and select the specific village from all the villages. During that time, dependent drop-down list will help you more. With the help of drop-down list, we can filter the villages from states and we can filter the states from country. Here, village list dependent on state and state list dependent on country. Please watch this video till end so that you will understand the content clearly. This is Viru Vemula. You are watching my channel Excel Tutorials. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe my channel to get more videos on Excel. Let's come to the topic. Here we have this data. Based on this data, we will understand how drop-down list will help you and save our time. So here one new employee will came into organization. When new employee came into our organization, we will take all the documents from him and we will input this data into system. So now we are in the process of that one. I entered all the details. So here it came state. Instead of doing mistakes and all these things, I am trying to use drop down list here. So how we have to go? So we have to go data and there we have to select data validation and here we have to select list and here we have to select so whatever the states we have and click on OK. Now here we got all the states here. The same way we have to use for towns and villages also. Go to list and select the villages whatever we have in the data. So here normal drop down list we have to select Andhra Pradesh. There we have to select what are the villages related to Andhra Pradesh. If my native is Andhra Pradesh, so that I know so what are the villages related to Andhra Pradesh. But if I am not belongs to Maharashtra, I don't know what are the villages are there. So in such time, this drop-down list, dependent drop-down list will help you to get the data so easily and faster way. So let's check how it works. So I removed all the list, data list. And first, if you want to do that one, first we have to segregate assets. First segregate the villages as per state. So these villages belonging to Andhra Pradesh and these villages related to Telangana and these related to villages related to Maharashtra. So before starting dependent drop down list, first we have to the prerequisite is we have to do number range. So here name range, we have to do name range. So first all these things we have to select here and we have to give one name for this like states, and also second one select all these things and here we have to give Andhra Pradesh. And these villages are related to Telangana. To give us Telangana. These states related to So now you see here we have given Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra states and Telangana. So first this one is states. States we can give, go to data validation, here list and select states. We can select states like this and come to town. Town or village we have to use dependent drop down list. Go to list and here we have to use indirect formula. Indirect bracket start. So it will pick from here in this list. Bracket close and close. Yes. Okay. First you have to select Andhra Pradesh. Here you will get only Andhra Pradesh related villages only. So here we have Vijayawada, Guntur, Visakhapatnam, Vijayanagaram and Kakinada. These villages belongs to Andhra Pradesh. Those list only will come. And again, if you select Telangana, only Telangana states will come. Hyderabad, Warangal, Nalgonda, Kashmir, Karimnagar. And also Maharashtra, so only Mumbai and Thane. So like this we can use a dependent drop down list. Hope this video will helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel to get more videos on Excel like this. Thank you very much.